Anybody that leaves a review, you as the seller can't just kind of come in and comment and say, hey, thanks for the great review. I really appreciate it. That's awesome. As you can't for a negative review as well, you don't get to come in here and say and tell your side of a story, all right? Which you can say kind of sucks, but it is what it is, and that's what Amazon does. However, you can and should, if you get a negative review, so if this was me, I would definitely have emailed that person through Amazon's own internal email system and said to them, hey, I just read your review. I'm really sorry to see that you weren't at all happy. How about I refund your money and you can keep the bed sheets as my gift to you? That sort of thing. I would go out of my way to make them happy. I would go out of my way to make them happy if at all I could. Now, it's okay to do that. And if you then find out that they are very, very happy, then you can say to them, would you mind amending your review to reflect your new understanding of me and my company? You cannot say to them, give me a 5-star review now. You can't say that, but you can say to them, hey, would you mind amending your review? If your opinion has changed, would you mind amending your review to update your current thinking about our company? That's okay. It's not okay for me to say, give me a 5-star review though. I can't say that. Or give me a positive review. I can't say that either. All right. So email everybody. It's a super, super good idea to do. This is a great listing. It's a good idea to do it, good and bad. It's a good idea to email them. You'll get more reviews that way, and you'll get to understand more about your business and how your business works and what people think of your product as well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.